coffee today, okay? I'm going to teach you a concept of cup of coffee in sales. Now, increasing the sales conversion rate in any business is very easy with this particular principle that I'm going to be teaching you now. And the principle is a cup of coffee rule and a 2:1 ratio. I'll tell you about this one first. Now, 2:1 ratio states that we have 2 ears and 1 mouth, and we need to use them in that ratio. What do most salespeople do? They use it the opposite way around, okay? They keep on talking and do not much listen, okay? So if I threw a blanket over salespeople or sales teams that I have coached around the globe or around the country, more than not, they are in love with what? Their product or their service, because they know what the answer is and they just want to tell the person more over and above than asking them really good quality questions to bring out their problems so that they can give a solution, you know. So I'm going to tell you about the cup of coffee rule. The cup of coffee rule can help you great way. It can happen as an imaginary rule or in real life. Works like this. I want you to drink my cup of coffee warm, and I want the other person to think their cup of coffee is cold. So why that would happen is because they are going to do all the talking and I'm doing all the listening, okay? So that when they look down and have a drink of their cup of coffee after about 5, 10, 15 minutes into the conversation, I want them to take a sip of their coffee for their tea and go. That's a bit on the good side, right? That's because they have been doing all the talking. I've been sitting back asking a good quality questions to draw back all the information that I really need for the sale so that I can offer them a solution which is exceptionally powerful. So now again, this works whether we are talking in case of big businesses or small businesses. Now this cup of coffee rule could be 20 seconds at a retail shop. I've coached a hardware store as an example on this, whereby he said that we needed to ask 3 or 4 questions as a rule before we started to give them a solution. So when a person came in asking for paint, we said we had 3 or 4 killer questions, you know, already pre-designed, pre-scripted, that we would say before we went into that. So they, hey, this paint is going to be the best one for you. So we held off quite purposefully. The need to open our mouth was not important and gave them a big whole bunch of statements. We gave them more questions instead. So the same thing goes right through to selling large capital pieces of equipment as well. We need to do a better job upfront of asking better quality questions, even if you're interior designing or engineering company. So I'm going to help you out with on this that's going to help you engage this particular rule, and that is to shut up. Put a pipe into understand what the needs are. Understand you don't need to speak to get a sale. Most salespeople are unclear, and the wrong idea and mindset is this: I need to open my mouth and talk heaps so that they'll buy from me. People don't buy off the information. They typically buy off the emotions. And if you can extract that, you know, that's a great thing, you know. If you can get that, you're gonna go to a huge way to increasing your conversion rates. And I really look forward to hearing your feedback on the cup of coffee rule and using 2:1 ratio. So go get them and listen to more of my videos, but do let me know what you think of the cup of coffee rule by giving me a call or my team a call. And thank you very much. This is Priscilla Kambata, changing lives of every committed business owner. Thank you.